Hi everybody and welcome to a beginner's quick start guide to Python. Firstly, thank you for your interest in this course. I really do appreciate it. Now comes the question, why? Let me answer that for myself. I have studied 7 programming languages in my career, and each time I have stopped just past the basics, except with Python. Python is beautifully simple and yet incredibly powerful. It is also easy to read, which I love. All of these things help make the learning curve of Python much easier than other languages. Python is very easy to learn, which means that in no time at all you'll be past the basics and learning a new valuable skill. Python is used for many purposes: video games, web apps, business tools, and most recently very heavily in data science. This course is a step-by-step guide through the Python 3 programming language. Each lecture is built on top of the last, and almost every lecture contains a program for you to try. In the past, the reason why I have failed to learn a programming language is because I did not stick at it. You will not have that problem. Not only is Python quick and easy to learn, you also have me as your accountability buddy. Now that might sound like hogwash, but believe you me, it is valuable. Ask me anything, send me your code samples, vent your frustrations when you get stuck, and you will get stuck, and keep in contact, because the best way to learn the program is to practice and talk about it. Send me a Q&A, whatever it might be, get in contact. And in return, I ask for only one thing: stick at it. Even if it's just one lecture a day, stick at it. Python is not learned by observing, but by doing. So do. The longest lecture in this course is around 10 minutes, so when you don't feel like programming, ask yourself, can I spare just 10 minutes? So let's not waste any more time, and let's get started. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.